brand new construction in Dallas, Georgia. And at first glance, you might think you've seen homes like this before, but don't click away just yet, because what you're about to see upstairs completely changes the game. I'm talking about a feature that could be perfect for a growing family, multi-generational living, a home office setup, or even your own private retreat. And trust me, the upstairs space is not what you'd expect from a home in this price range. So let's take a tour and see why this home is getting so much attention. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, back with a new home tour out in Dallas, Georgia. It's just west of Atlanta, technically about 45 minutes from downtown Atlanta. But Dallas, Georgia is a thriving city that blends the charm of the South with modern amenities. The neighborhoods are quiet. The city also offers plenty of outdoor recreation, dining, and shopping opportunities. So sit back and enjoy the tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a new construction home offers all the benefits buyers love, from energy efficiency and the peace of mind that comes with owning a brand new home. Not to mention, it sits on a 1-acre lot. If you're looking for a brand new home in Dallas, Georgia, 110 Doors Path deserves a spot on your must-see list. The open concept layout, modern finishes, and that incredible upstairs bonus space makes this home a standout opportunity. So if you're looking for pricing information, current incentives, or want to schedule a private tour, give me a call. And if you're thinking about buying a home and want to explore your financing options, let's have a conversation. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Metro Atlanta home tours and home buying tips. Now tell me in the comments, what would you do with the upstairs space?